Hey, how's it going guys, Philip here, today back with another video. In today's video we'll be creating the first part to the advanced moderation system. With this it will be linking to the warning system we had created in the last episode. So with that, in here we need to create a new variable, and it's going to be type. Alright, and we can close that down. In staff I've deleted my staff.js, so in here I'm going to create one called staff sys.js. However, in here we need to go up here, and in here we need to put type. This will be warning. Alright, and then down here we need to do backdashes type, and this will be warn.type. Alright, so that's all we need to do in there. Now, for the main staff system, we need to get a couple of things. If you haven't already, go into your terminal. I believe we've done this in a previous episode, but you need to do npm ins. Alright, so we need to get a couple of things from the discord.js package. Now I'm going to take these a lot slower, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing to improve the quality of the code, and so you have a better understanding of how it all works, and just so you guys can have a brief of what you're actually making instead of just saying you're following. We need to get slash command builder, we need to get webhook client, we need to get embed builder. Alright, we need to get chat input command interaction, and we need permission flag bits. Alright, we also then need to do const warn model equals require, and then the path to the warn model database. And then we need to do const ms equals require ms. Alright, now we can module.exports it. The data will be a new slash command builder. We want to set the name to staff system. You can set that to whatever you want. You can just have it as staff mod, staff sys. You can have it as whatever you want. I'm just going to have mine as staff system. The set description, the ability to use advanced moderation commands. Alright, we're going to add a sub command. Okay, we are going to do sub, and in here we're going to set the name to ban. Alright, we're going to set the description to ban the user, pretty straightforward. We are then going to add a user option, optn set name. This will be set to target, set the description, who are you banning, set required true. Okay, and then we are going to add a string option, optn, arrow function, optn just stands for option. It's just without the IO. Dot set name as reason. We want to set the description reason for the ban, and we're going to make this required. Right, we are now going to copy this, and we're going to paste it. We're going to change this to kick. It's going to be kicks the user. Target, who are you kicking? Reason for the kick. Ooh. Great. We've got to go through and unindent all of this by 1. If you don't know how to do that, you simply go all the way to the start of it, and you backspace once. Alright, and it's unindented. Alright, and then we need another one. Just quickly unindent it all. I hate when it does this. And I'm gonna go all the way back. All the way back. There we go. Alright, this is going to be Softban. This is going to be Softban to user. Who are you? Soft banning, reason for the soft. Alright, so what we've done so far, we have got everything we need from our discord.js package to be able to use Discord, to be able to make the bot within Discord. With here we've got the model from here, so we are now able to log everything that happened within the warning system. We've got MS for when we do the timeout command. Now, in here we've made a subcommand which allows you to ban a user. It allows you to input the target and the reason. Same with kick and same with Softban. If you don't know what Softban is where you ban someone, it bans them, deletes all their messages from the past 7 days, and then it unbans them. That's all a Softban is. We can put a comma here, and we can async the execution of the interaction. Alright, and up here we need to get our parameters. This will just be chat input command interaction. Alright, so down here we need to do a couple of things. We need to first get the guild from the interaction. This is so we don't have to do interaction.guild. It's just a lot easier. We then need to do const user equals interaction.options.getUser target. Then we're going to do let id equals await interaction.guild.members.fetch user, and we're going to do id. Alright, we're going to do const reason equals interaction.options.getString reason. Alright, we're going to do if interaction.options.getSubcommand. Alright, and we're going to do equals ban. We're going to open this up. We are then going to copy this, paste it, and paste it again. This ban here will be changed to kick, and this here will be changed to Softban. We can now go to our warning system, and we can go to our add function. We can copy from here all the way down to here. Alright, we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it in the ban. Now, in here this would be ban members. You do not have the required permissions to use the command. This is going. Alright. By default, I've realised if someone has a higher role than the bot, it doesn't allow it. If the person you're trying to do has a higher role, it will automatically not let you do it, and it will give a nice error. Alright, so we're going to change this type of warning to a ban. This will be successfully banned the user. We're going to change this to banned by ban reason. Alright, this DM function is going. Alright, it's not going to DM them, they're just going to get banned. So we can get rid of this catch. Right, looks pretty simple, looks pretty easy, right? Nope, incorrect. So we need to come down a couple of lines, and in here we need to do if id.bannable. Oh, I forgot the exclamation mark. If not id.bannable. We want to return an interaction.apply. Embed error embed.set description. User no id.id. Let's ping them. Is unable to be banned. Alright, and now we're going to do id.ban. In here we're going to have the reason as reason. Alright, and we're going to change where it says warn to ban so it doesn't confuse you later on. Alright, you can now copy everything inside of here up to here, copy it, and you can paste it in kick. Now you're going to change ban members to kick members. Okay, and we're going to change the type to a kick. Ooh. Successfully kicked the user, kicked by, kick reason. Okay, is unable to be kicked, id.kickable. And this will be id.kick with the reason. No, not kickable again. And we're going to change this to kick. And we're going to change this to kick. Alright, Softban. We can paste it again. Woohoo. Right. This is going to be a Softban. Okay. So I'm just going to put soft in front of it all. Showing a no. Is unable to be Softbanned. id.ban. The message will be 7. Alright, we're going to do a .then function. We are then going to do no, not interaction with guild. Guild.members.unban. Alright, and it will be user. Alright, the user is because it's who was inputted. It cannot be the ID because they are no longer a part of the guild. So it has to be user.id. That's it. Alright, so that's all for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. In part 2, we'll be creating a timeout command, an unban command, and a clear messages from a certain user or overall. Part 3 will be where we create the main functions and commands for the logging. Part 5 is where we add all the logging. And then potentially a part 6 where I add more moderation commands, depending if I can think of them off the top of my head. However many commands I can think of at the minute is what I've already stated. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a safe one.